Now MHRD program details are also out. The notification is out at Jamal Bajaj. So MHRD program, MS, MSc Finance. There are 3 programs at Jamal Bajaj. MS is the normal flagship program which have an average salary of 20 lakh as per last year record. MSc Finance and MHRD are 2 separate programs. Both of them will have the average salary of around 15 lakhs. So placement is not common at both the courses. So that's why there's a gap. This is 20, this is 15. Yep. So MHRD program is now is out as well. For MSc Finance, if you want to apply, you need to have 97 percentile in CET and 95 or 95 percentile in the CAT exam. Now I'm getting messages from students, sir, मेरा 96 apply करूँ क्या, 92 apply करूँ क्या? Obviously you're not gonna get a call here because the cutoff is 97. So why you are even thinking that you will get a call at 96? So please don't ping me for that reason. 97 मतलब 97. 96.99 will not be working there because cutoff is the cutoff. Yeah. So please try to understand and respect that fact. Yep. So notification dates remain same. So 6th July to 20th July you can apply on the JBIMS website. Yeah, you can do NEFT or IMPS. Fees of 1500 rupees to the director's account. So that is the application process for MHRD program. Okay, which is same as MSc Finance. Both the processes are same at the college. Now, advantage of MHRD program is that you can still apply with a lower score. For example, you got 92 percentile, 90 percentile, 80 percentile. You get a call from here because there is a separate written test. So they have a 100 marks ka test which includes 20 marks of numerical ability, which includes quant, verbal, logic, all the question, 20 mark GK, 20 mark human behavior aspect, 20 mark group dynamics and 20 marks of individual behavior. So this 100 mark ka paper is totally open for everyone to apply. That's why in our live classes, so yes, we are doing our live classes for MHRD program and MSc Finance program. In case you want to join, in the description box I given the link. We also create the WhatsApp group in which all of us are coming together and talking to each other, all the students, so that you can ask each other about the how to apply and all those queries in the WhatsApp group in the description box. Yep. So there's a 100 mark ka paper, then GDPI. Okay. So there'll be 100 mark ka paper followed by VAT, group activity, PI. So obviously look at this here. If you are passing out the VAT as well, you're passing out the group activity, written test. So the overall personality of the student is obviously good. That's the main agenda why they're keeping the GDPI phase. So if I compare with MSc Finance, so MSc Finance, if you are less than 97 open category and 95 in CAT, your game is over. You can't apply. But for MHRD program, you can apply. Yeah. So 2 people should apply here. Number 1, those who want to go for HR. Now TIS, XLRI, JBIMS, all these colleges are the top colleges for HR. And number 2, you should apply for because it's a JBIMS. Now especially people, those who are do or die phase. Now those who are going for Chetna, MET, IS. See, just imagine that their average salary is 5 to 6 lakhs. Yeah, if I upgrade myself, SIS, Dalmia, MET, SIS, Dalmia V School, average salary around 8 to 9 lakhs. Here average salary is 15 lakh. So everybody have a very good chance to upgrade themselves for this program. Yes, because you are going to at par with XLRI, TIS and Bajaj. That's the main advantage of applying here. Okay. And with a fees of only 6 lakhs, this is the best ROI you can get. Okay. Yep. So looking at the seats now. Sorry, fees is 3,50,000 per year. So fees is 7 lakh rupees. 7 lakh rupees and you are getting a package of 15 lakhs. Okay. Now looking at the seat breaker. So every good thing, good side have the bad side as well. So number of seats in Bajaj is only 20. That's the only problem area. Number of seats are only 20. And for MSc Finance, number of seats are 30. Okay. So if I compare MSc Finance versus HR program, Finance versus HR program. So GDPI GD and PI is there in both the thing. Written test is not here in MSc Finance, and written test is here in HR. Yeah, so we are launching the program where MSc Finance we are going to conduct GD, PI, everything. And for MHRD program we are going to conduct the written test. We have 5 mocks, uska live classes, and GD, PI preparation also. Okay, so that's the basic difference between the two programs. So in the description box I have given the link where you can join our program, or you can join the WhatsApp group for free where you can talk to each other how to plan, how to prepare. Yeah, trust me guys, this is a golden opportunity. You should not miss the golden opportunity. All the best.